Hello everyone. It looks like tax season has got a lot of us in a twist, right? It's like that April 15th deadline sneaks up on you and boom, you're scrambling to get your papers in order. And if you're sitting there thinking, what if I just can't file or pay my taxes on time? Well, you're not alone. So, let's have a chat about this. You might just sleep a little better tonight knowing your options. So, here's the scoop. If the deadline is staring you down and you're not ready, you can get yourself an automatic 6-month extension. All it takes is submitting Form 4868. But remember, that's only to file, not to pay. If you owe Uncle Sam, that cash is still due generally on April 15th. And if you're thinking, but I don't know how much I owe, I hear you. It can be tricky, but a good starting point is to look at what changed since last year. Got a new job? Maybe there's a new member of the family? Big life changes mean tax changes. But wait, what if you just do nothing? Well, strap in because the IRS has penalties that can add up faster than a teenager's phone bill. We're talking a 5% hit for each month you're late on filing, capping at 25%. And if you don't pay, that's another 0.5% every month, also capping at 25%. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and picking up speed. Now, for my freelancers and gig workers out there, a quick heads up. If you didn't do those quarterly estimated tax payments, or if you underestimated them, you might face an underpayment penalty. It's like forgetting to water a plant, and then you're trying to make up for it all at once. And here's a twist. What if you're actually due for a refund, but you file late? Well, the IRS isn't going to penalize you for not taking the money they owe you. But don't wait too long. If you're past 3 years, you might as well say goodbye to that refund. So, what's the takeaway? If you can't pay everything right now, pay what you can. Get on a payment plan with the IRS if you need to. It's like being in quicksand. The more you struggle by ignoring the problem, the deeper you sink. But if you reach out for help, you can pull yourself out. We've all been there, staring at a pile of tax forms, feeling like we're reading a foreign language. But the thing about taxes is that they're part of life. And tackling them head-on, even if you're late to the game, shows you've got grit. So, grab that Form 4868, estimate what you can pay, and take control. After all, it's about looking out for future you, making sure you're not stuck with an even bigger bill down the road.